We're going to talk about verbs today. Verbs are super important to understand if you want to speak Tagalog well. Right now we're going to talk about two types of actor-focused verbs. We'll talk about what actor-focused means in a minute. First, we'll talk about mug verbs. Don't worry if this is a little confusing at first. It will become more clear with practice. On the screen, you can see the conjugation, or how to make the verb a command, meaning you're commanding someone to do it. Past tense, meaning the verb has already been done. Present tense, meaning the verb is still happening. And future tense, meaning the verb will happen in the future. The command form is also the infinitive form, which means that there is no tense. It's like saying, to run. It's not past, present, or future. The command form is created by sticking mug in front of the verb root. Mug root. Past tense is created by sticking nug in front of the verb root. Nug root. Present tense is created by sticking nug in front of the verb root and repeating the first syllable of the root. Nug root root. Future tense is created by sticking mug in front of the verb root and repeating the first syllable. Mug root root. I'll give you an example so it will make more sense. We will use the English verb share as our root. The command form would be mug share, like you're telling someone to share. Past tense, or shared, would be nug share. Present tense, or sharing, would be nug share. And future tense, or will share, would be mug share. Again, don't worry if you don't get this right away. It takes practice to get it down.
Here are some common mug verb roots.
Tanong, simula, tiwala, dala, tayo, bago, linis, bigay, tiis, palit, bayad, lagay, laro, dasal, handa, basa, sisi, sabi, salita, usap, hanap, bahagi, sikap, aral, turo, hintay, lakad, trabaho, sulat, simba. Tanong, magtanong, ask. Nagtanong, asked. Nagtatanong, asking. Magtatanong, will ask. Simula, magsimula, begin. Nagsimula, began. Nagsisimula, beginning. Magsisimula, will begin. Tiwala, magtiwala, trust. Nagtiwala, trusted. Nagtitiwala, trusting. Magtitiwala, will trust. Dala, magdala, bring. Nagdala, brought. Nagdadala, bringing. Magdadala, will bring. Next, we'll talk about verbs. Here you can see the conjugation for verbs. The command form is created by inserting before the first vowel of the root. If the root begins with a consonant, you'll insert right after the first consonant. Oot. The past tense is exactly the same as the command form. Insert right before the first vowel. Oot. The present tense is created by inserting before the first vowel, but then after you say the first vowel, repeat the whole root. O, root. The future tense is created by repeating the first syllable of the root with no root. Here's an example with the verb root punta, which means to go. The command form is unta, like you're telling someone to go. Past tense, or went, is also unta. Present tense, or going, is u punta. And future tense, or will go, is pu punta.
Here are some common verb roots.
Punta, sagot, hingi, dating, bili, tawag, pili, baba, gawa, lapit, kain, pasok, asa, harap, sama, gabay, hawak, tingin, sunod, sali, pigil, tanggap, tanggi, tira, balik, kanta, tayo, tigil, gamit, bisita, tulong, takbo. Sagot, sumagot, answer. Sumagot, answered. Sumasagot, answering. Sasagot, will answer. Hingi, humingi, ask for. Humingi, asked for. Humihingi, asking for. Hihingi, will ask for. Dating, dumating, arrive. Dumating, arrived. Dumarating, arriving. Darating, will arrive. Bili, bumili, buy. Bumili, bought. Bumibili, buying. Bibili, will buy. Okay, now that we're getting a little bit comfortable with mug and verbs, we can start making actor-focused verb phrases. Remember that the actor in a sentence is the one who does the action. Actor focus means that the actor is always an ong. You can either use an ong pronoun or you can put ong in front of a noun, and either of those can be the actor. Here are some examples. Magbabasa ako means I will read. The actor in this phrase is ako, which is an ong pronoun. Pupunta ang lalaki means the boy will go. The actor in this phrase is ang lalaki because it is a noun with ang in front. Now that we have that down, we can start making sentences that also include an object. For actor-focused verbs, the object will always be a nung. Let's flash back for a moment to last week's video. Remember the nung set of pronouns? This is why those were important. Just as with ong, you can either use a nung pronoun or you can put nung in front of a noun. Here are some examples. Magdadala ako ng pagkain means I will bring food. The object in this sentence is ng pagkain because it is a noun with nung in front. Kakain siya natin means he will eat us, which you probably wouldn't say in most normal contexts, but we're going to use it right now. The object in this sentence is natin because it is a nung pronoun. Let's make some more sentences. Build a house is magtayo ka ng bahay. He exchanged them is nagpalit siya nila. They are preparing food is naghahanda sila ng pagkain. We, inclusive, will clean the table is maglilinis tayo ng lamesa. Make rice is gumawa ka ng kanin. We, exclusive, chose you, plural, is pumili kami ninyo. You, plural, are accepting the problem is tumatanggap kayo ng problema. I will use a thing is gagamit ako ng bagay. Tapos na! Mag-practice ka na para ikaw ay magiging magaling. Magkita-kita tayo sa susunod. Ingat!